Annn Yang Machinery Company has been providing lathes of the highest quality since its establishment in 1990. For the last 2 decades, Annn Yang has grown into a leader in manufacturing precision high-speed lathes for the global market. Under the guidance of the founder Jack Huang, constant improvements and innovations to our machines have seen Annn Yang grow into a reputable name across Europe, Asia and America. Annn Yang sets itself high professional standards in manufacturing precision high-speed lathes, ranging from conventional, CNC, variable speed, to clutch lathes. Vertical milling and turning machines are also developed. Annn Yang prides itself on working hand-in-hand with their clients in developing unique custom-built machines. Annn Yang also aggressively invests in many cutting-edge resources when developing new products. The lathes are created from the best materials, thus guaranteeing a product of quality and dependability. The product line has thus grown from the conventional simple function lathes of the past to the more modern and computerized precision high-speed lathes. Annn Yang's lathes have been awarded the Selected Product Prize in the 5th Machine Tool R&D and Innovative Products Competition held by the Taiwan Machinery Industry Association. The National Bureau of Standardization under the Ministry of Economic Affairs also approved Annn Yang a 10-year patent for its safety guard found on computerized precision high-speed lathes. Currently, Annn Yang produces over 800 lathes per year at its headquarters in central Taiwan. Due to demand, the factory size has recently tripled. Based on CE and ISO, we have always paid careful attention to the quality control of our products. We inspect and meticulously check each part of the assembly process by strictly keeping in accordance with the drawings in each stage, from design, modeling to fabrication. With our attention to detail, we have built a client base that stretches the 4 corners of the world. Today, we sell our lathes to over 40 countries worldwide, with over 3/4 of our market being in Europe and the United States. Founder Jack Huang is leading the company into the next phase of growth by paying careful attention to the needs of the global buyer. Annn Yang's superiority when it comes to customer service, knowledge of the buyer's needs, and promise of quality has set itself apart. Simply put, Annn Yang signifies excellence.